What's up, everybody? Time to do mission number 6. This one's easy, so it is. It's the same, well, it's called number 7, but it's mission 6. I did it by mistake because I was testing out a new strategy, and it seems to work, which is good. So usually I would have just mined, there's 1,850 platinum, and I would usually just mine them out until I got 7 workers. Because I might have forgotten to tell you my stats, but my stats are like this. You get your max workers up to 7, Warcry 115, Endurance 95, and then put your speed bonus up to as high as possible. Then you're good to go. So I would usually just get maximum workers here, but instead now I try to rush to just 5 workers. This is quite difficult, but it works. I think you have to be quite quick, and you just have to get good positioning. So it might not be, you might not be able to do this on an account, maybe if it doesn't have athlete, but I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you this option. So I'm going to get to, oh shit, this is enough, whoops. All I need is 5. I could probably get 6 to be safe, but 5's, this is for the ultra fast method. So this is the same as number 3, so there's going to be one here, and then there's another red down at the bottom, which is the harder. So I'm just going to run past, and I'm going to run up here as far as possible. Now, this is why I kind of think it's not going to work for if you don't have athlete, but maybe it does. So the war cry doesn't affect them. Your minions run past, so one of them war cries. So see, you get into good positioning where they're all going to aggro onto my 493. Then I can put them in one by one. So all I need is 3 attackers or 3 minions to do 3 war cries each, and that automatically kills. So he's surrounded. It looks terrible, but it's going to be okay. And as you can see, bing bing bang, it's good to go. And we're going to put the last one in, and it should do the job. And then we're going to move on. So 492. So actually it looks like you need 4 successful. And then you tell them to follow. We're going to run down. So this is quick. We've already saved ourselves time to do 2 more, but it's not that drastic a difference. So if you want to play safe, you can just mine out until you have 7 workers, and then do kind of the same method. But this one's for if you're feeling chancy and you want to just run through it quickly. So now the thing you have to remember though is your minions might not have recovered their war cry, so you kind of park out here just to make sure. So just check. See, these 2 guys have used up their war cry, so if I was to run in there, it's not going to work properly. Like, I'm sure you've seen me in other videos where I've messed up just because of this. So you wait a couple of seconds, their endurance replenishes, and then you just do the same strategy where you run up here as quick as possible, try to get to the top, and just get up into this corner. So number 493 will probably get attacked. This might not, oh well, this doesn't work, this is a disaster now, but hopefully I can get into formation. So if I can hold this formation, this is really bad now. Oh god, this is terrible. Yeah, I probably lost. Two, 4, 6. Maybe there's still hope, I'm not sure. I'm seeming to do a lot of damage here. Maybe it's my speed skill is good. I'll see. I'll wait it out. I kind of think I might have died here, but I'm not sure. It's okay. I think I might still win this. It's a wee bit slow, but maybe you'd be better off just with 6 cards. But I think it's fine. Yeah, I think I'm good. What I really wanted to happen was what happened in the top one, where I got up into the corner and it only attacked one, but it seemed to have caught all of them at once, which was a disaster because they all war cried at the same time. But it seems like when you have your speed skill up, you can kind of just do hard damage on them. So yeah, this is okay. It still works. So I'm gonna leave this strategy as it is for the video, but I'm just saying the safer option would just be to do 7, go down, do the kills, and then do it again. But as you can see, you can still mess up and still succeed. So I'll leave it for it is, and see you next time.